Are your Adobe Systems application failing because of the Adobe Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. I recommend the automated system scan for Adobe Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Adobe Library, a shared foundational library used across Adobe Creative Cloud applications to manage common UI components and shared runtime resources. It enables cross-application module reuse. If corrupted after updates, Adobe apps may fail initialization and report errors such as critical component missing. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Adobe belongs to Adobe Systems bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Adobe Systems will restore this file and related components. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Adobe Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodcktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A critical reminder, modifying Adobe Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Adobe Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Adobe Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.